Let's do this. I think this is going to be fun. Let me bring up my monitors. All right. So this chapter is called Moving Beyond Linearity. Why do we need to talk about moving beyond linearity? So I want to go into the next slide and let's kind of set the tone for what exactly it is that we're focusing on, right? And so far, everything we've talked about, for the most part, right, has been linear regression, right? So we've basically have covered, two major topics, right? We've covered linear regression, which is a form of modeling, right? And then we've also covered the features, right? How do you select features? So those are like the two meta concepts that we've covered. Selecting the features is kind of independent of anything else you do, right? You're kind of always going to be needing to select features. But linear regression is kind of a unique model. And the problem is that it's linear, right? It's assuming that there's a linear relationship somewhere in your data or in some combination of your data. But the reality is that we do not live in a world where everything is linear, right? So in this chapter, Moving Beyond Linearity, we're basically talking about different approaches or different ways for us to work with data that is not linear, because we don't live in a linear world. And in turn, that opens up the possibilities to work with more data and more features from that data. Because maybe there were data sets previously that you didn't work with, right? Or maybe there were some features that you disregarded because there wasn't a relationship there, but now you can find one. So that's kind of what we're going to focus on today, okay? So I want to highlight some of the really good work that's been going on in our Discord. So this here is part of a study from our Discord that was done by Yassine, and I saw that Yassine just came in. Hello, sir, Yassine from Fez, Morocco. Welcome, Yassine. You're just in time to see your own work on the screen. So this is a chart that Yassine had brought up on Discord that was looking at the California housing set that we worked on last week, in the same class. So audience participation time, guys. Let's start right away with a question. Can one of you tell me which one of these is the linear relationship? Yeah, so tell me the row and then the number in that row. Which one of these is the linear relationship? I'll give you guys a minute to think about that. Where is the linear relationship here? Tell me the row and then tell me the chart in that row. Top row, bottom row, and then number 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, thank you, Rex. Rex is pointing out that the Discord link has been pinned. I did that earlier today. And that's on Twitch. What do you guys think? Where's the linear relationship? Okay, so Leo is proposing bottom row, 3 and 4.